Life is always full of surprises. Some are bigger and more pleasant than others. No worries. We can show you some simple hacks how you can easily fix those unexpected surprises. I wonder if I can buy something new in my life. Before I do that, I need to check my piggy bank and see how much money I have. Look at this beautiful ceramic. Seems fully loaded, more than I expected. Well, it will be a shame to smash this beautiful piggy bank. Time to go! Bingo! A jackpot! It's all the money I'll need for my shopping. But before I go, I need to sort it and count it somehow. It's very simple. You just take a plastic cup and put inside one of the type coins. Once you're done, it will be much easier to count your money. Easy as that. Oh, these mornings are harder than I thought on waking up. Well, at least I can have some tasty breakfast. Oh, it will take some time. Let's see what my friends are up to. Is that burned bread smell? It can't be. Bread is totally burned. Oh, how will I now have breakfast with all this burned bread? Look at it. It's nearly cold. I have an idea. What if I rub both slices of bread? Just take 2 burned bread slices and rub one to another. And bingo! You have 2 cooked and eatable bread slices. Nice! They look like they're just perfectly cooked. Can't wait to have this chocolate on my bread. Delicious! Alright, what is it? Just wait, it's a funny video. Oh, I just can't get my phone standing. This is so frustrating. I have an idea. Give me a moment. You'll need a bottle of soda, and just simply add 2 rubber bands on your phone and put it on a soda bottle. Look, now your phone should stand all steady. Now press play and just enjoy watching your videos anywhere without worrying that your phone won't stand. Oh, it's so rainy outside. Oh God, look at my shoes. Oh, you're back. How was your walk? You look depressed. What happened? Look at my shoes. They're all covered in dirt. Give me your shoes. I know how to fix them. Oh well, I hope she knows what she's doing. Take one of your dirty shoes and add some soda on them. Gently brush it with a brush till they become fully clean. Where are you, Eleni? Oh well, here are your shoes. Oh wow! Look at my shoes! They look like new! Thanks, Mary. That's very sweet of you. They actually look like brand new. That's amazing! Well, now I can go out again all clean. Once in a while, we all have those cleaning days. Oh, it's too many clothes. I can't put them all in. Let me try helping you. Ugh, it's not happening. I give up. Oh, what if we use this vacuum cleaner? Yes, it might work. Just stack your clothes, take a bin bag, and put your clothes inside. Then use the vacuum cleaner to suck all of the air out of the bags. This way, clothes without air save some serious space. Look how amazing it is! All my clothes fit in one box. You actually managed to fit them all. Way to go, girl! That's very smart of you. I know, right? Well, I'm not in a very big mood doing homework tonight. I'm glad Jess is having fun. Hey, Jess, I'm very bored of studying these dry subjects. Maybe you want to do something else? No. Please? No, no, no. Well, that does not help me at all. I'll just have to have more of this berry jam. I wonder, maybe this jar can help me to kill time. Open the lid of the jar and remove all the labels from the surface. Pour some colorful paint inside the jar and close the lid and shake it till the paint spreads and covers all insides of the jar. Then take a brush and start painting a smiley face, starting from heart-shaped eyes. Once you have those, put 2 dots to create a nose, and finally paint a smiling mouth. Finally, you should get a fun-looking, smiling baby jar. Hey Jess, look what I've just made! Wow, let me take a look at this. It's my custom-made baby jar. Nice! It looks amazing! We can even add some pencils inside of it. Perfect! It works as a great pencil holder. Well, there is this time again when my babies need some loving. Have some refreshments. I wish you would grow as big and healthy plants. Wonderful! What about this little guy? Seems your vase is very boring looking. How could I fix that? Well, I know. It's very simple. For this tip, you'll need a bowl of water. Firstly, you'll need to pour the first color of nail polish into the bowl. Keep adding different colors of nail polish. It should peacefully rest on the surface of the water. Once you finish adding the last color of nail polish, put the vase inside the bowl and spin around its axis, just right on the top where the nail polisher is resting. That's how you should cover your vase with different colors. That's beautiful! This vase now has its own life on its own. Fits perfectly over here. Here you go. Let's place this little guy just right back in. Whoever thought that nail polisher can not only make your nails look good, but create a new texture on your vase? Amazing, isn't it? As we mentioned, life is full of all kinds of surprises. But after all, there is a quick fix for most of them. For more videos and more hacks, subscribe to our channel, Wizard School. See you for more magic!